taking the business angle that this is a business-unfriendly bill. Will that resonate with conservatives who otherwise might be social conservatives?
Well, I think that it's a part of the conversation. But the real conversation is why businesses don't want to come, and that is because it's divisive, because of the fact that they don't want to bring a business to a state where we say that some people, because you are different, you get treated differently. And that's ultimately what this bill is about. And most businesses want an environment where their employees can prosper and they know a state is moving forward and not backwards. And we clearly had a black eye, like one of the gentlemen said yesterday, in this state of moving backwards.
Same-sex marriage is illegal by North Carolina law, so you can't do it now. A constitutional amendment would just solidify that, if I understand the amendment correctly. What's the difference in moving it from law to amendment and how it affects the business climate, because we're doing business now under the existing law?
Well, see, the existing law allows for domestic partnerships, and it doesn't get involved with the business part, and that's a big thing. But it's sort of like hate me once and then let's hate me again. And so when you do it as a statute, which is very different, which I disagree with the statute, but it doesn't put $10 million of ads on TV. It doesn't put billboards on the roads that says that people are less than people and abomination and things like that. So it's a very different thing. And the Constitution is a living document. And never in the history of our country did we put hate in it. And yesterday, we had the first step to do that.
I've heard supporters of this amendment bill say that it would not affect domestic partnerships. It would just define marriage between one man and one woman. You obviously disagree, but explain your perspective on that difference.
Well, like we said, it's about how you craft the bill. If they wanted to do that, if they were genuine in wanting to do that, they could have just simply left it at that. But they did not. They took it much further. It's a disingenuous statement, and it's not even close to being truthful. What the truth is that if you wanted to deal with domestic partnerships, you could deal with that. You don't have to put ambiguous language in. You don't have to leave it up for interpretation. In fact, this is going to cost us probably more money in the long run with all of the legal cases that just how bad that bill was written. It's now more. We'll have more problems with it because there is no clarification, and now everybody has to go to the judge and clarify. So their intent of activist judges, blah blah blah, has not been clarified at all. We'll have more judges. We'll have more cases.